Hey guys, so you're sitting at home alone, having no one to talk to and nobody replying you on Messenger? Well, me too. So I just made a bot for that, and let's check it out.
Q, who are you? Author of the Bible. Really fun.
So after trying to talk to a mirror and my pet fish, I decided I'll just do a model instead. And the first thing I stumbled upon was the Hugging Face transformer called DistillGPT-2. And they already had a pre-trained model which can autocomplete text for you, but that wasn't what I wanted. I wanted to talk with it, and particularly just to ask questions and get some answers. So then I went on the wild hunt. In the internet to find a tutorial how to do a question answering bot, and after
one eternity later,
of searching and just finding old RNN tutorials in Reddit and Medium, I figured, well, I should look more into the Hugging Face GitHub, and I found an examples directory which already had a nice script to fine-tune its model. And I thought to myself, well, what's a waste of time? But yeah, then I figured all I need is data now, and where to find better data than Yahoo questions and answers. I mean, the best questions are already there.
Am I pregnant? Am I pregnant? Am I pargant? Am I pregnant? Am I pegnate? Help? Is there a possibility that I'm pegrant?
No! God, please, no! No!
So it's never as easy as you think it is, and then just think it will take a couple of hours, it takes an eternity. But this time, this was quite a breeze, because all I needed to do is fix up the data so the model knows that questions and answers come in couples, and that can be solved with just easy keywords as question and answer, of course. And as for the script itself, the script provided by the Hugging Face is already great. All I needed to do is just adjust the problems with the memory size of my GPU. So playing around with batch sizes, sorted everything out, and I was ready to fine-tune my model.
a few inches later.
Q, are you AI? Yes you are too. Nan.
So it thinks it's an AI, and it thinks that I want to, and hopefully that's just not true. And I mean, if it rhymes, it must be true. But what exactly is it? It's a model based on GPT-2 transformer, which is a language model. This is a model that comes from the guys called OpenAI, and these are the guys most famous for bidding bots against people in Dota 2 games, which are just great to watch, and I suggest you do that if you haven't already. But getting more in depth into the model, so yeah, we're not using the Dota 2 model, we're using the language model. And what it essentially does, it predicts the next word after having a sequence of words. How did we train that? Well, they trained the model with 1.5 billion trainable parameters on 8 million web pages, which is just huge numbers to comprehend, even like for big data. What we are using is a smaller version of it called DistillGPT-2, released by Hugging Face. and what that has is just 82 million parameters. So in comparison, for you guys to get what we are talking about, instead of asking the whole population of China to answer tough questions from Yahoo Answers, we ask Germany nicely to answer if I'm pregnant or not. And to do that, we released the model on a simple web app in Google Cloud, and you can actually just go there and ask your question if you don't really have anyone to talk with. I have released the app a couple of weeks ago just to check what people would ask from the bot, and I would like to share some questions and answers with you guys now.
Q. What is love? Love is needed. Find new things. Girlfriends help with their needs. Girlfriends are for loving other people and great times. Find new things. Girlfriends don't like you. They won't stop you. Look how you feel. Make a god and human beings love each other. Be sweet and beautiful. Don't judge anyone else. See you in hell. Love you. Q. How old is the world? 10 years.
So at this point, I'm guessing you want to input your questions and get your answers. And there's quite a easy way to do that. You just need to follow the link in the description, or either try out my spelling and go to answerthis.xyz. And afterwards, when you get a great or not so great answer, just comment it down below. As for the answers you will be getting, the bot is answering based on the questions inputted and the seed. So if you don't know what seed is at this point, you can just think about it as a random feeling or situation that the bot is at the moment. So yeah, it's just a number, but it influences how the bot is answering, and it's pretty much as we humans do. Like, we answer the same questions differently based on a different situation. Either it's windy, or it's sad, or just happy or excited, hell knows what about. But yeah, it just makes it a bit more human, you know? So play around with it and let me know what you got. As always, it was great to share a bit of my work with you guys. If you liked the video, please leave a like. If you got an interesting answer from the question bot, leave a comment. And if you want just to connect with me, there's a bunch of social links in the description and at the end of the video. And yeah, see you next time.